been to the grocery store lately? You almost have to go to the bank and get a loan just to buy food. So if you're seeing this video, this is your calling to start growing your own food. This garden is 85 feet wide, 100 foot long. Think about your backyard. How many raised beds could you put in your backyard? You could grow all your peppers. I got zucchini here. Here's zinnias. And right here is black-eyed peas. That one 4x12 bed, by the time we're done, we'll probably put up somewhere around 70 or 80 quarts of black-eyed peas. That's more than enough to get us through 1 year. Then if you look over there, let me move you this way. Here's all our cucumbers for our pickles. We got spaghetti squash. Even further over, we got all our tomatoes. We got green beans. We got our potatoes growing. There is so much food that you can grow in a small space. Don't get overwhelmed or intimidated thinking that you've got to grow everything at once, because you don't. Because you cannot be 100% self-sufficient unless you start. You can't finish the race unless you start the race. So if you want to start to learn to grow your own food and preserve your own food, start small, work your way up. And the good thing about this, if you grow it, you know it. If you want to be organic, you can learn how to do that. You can learn to compost. You don't have to use synthetic fertilizer. You can use all natural pest control. Start small, work your way up. That's how you take the first step in being self-sufficient.